This is a great place to see avalanche lilies. Vista Ridge in particular, because of the post-fire circumstances in the environment, I think that this is the biggest profusion of them. The first thing is that you notice them from a distance. You're looking down because these are flowers that bloom low to the ground. They look like specks from a distance, but as you get closer, you start to see them, a few at first, but then more, to the point that you see clumps of several dozen, and then patches of, say, several hundred, and then the carpets where there are thousands of them. It's overwhelming in a really, really nice way. They like sunlight, and there really wasn't that much sunlight because of the tree cover prior to the fire. Wildfire can be, and often is, a very, very favorable thing for wildflowers.
I think it's pretty darn nice, that's what I think. And I think that we're lucky to be here.